Mr. Chairman, I'll be allotting, ako ito, Mr. Chairman, I'll be allotting my 2-month salary here in Congress sa mga matitino nating mga kababayan na nandiyan sa Bureau of Immigration na makakapagturo kung paano nakataka si Alice Go using our airports or seaports. Yung 2 buwang sweldo ko, ibibigay ko sa inyo. Help us. Help us. This Quadcom is serious in cleaning our government. Join us, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair, kayo nung mabibigay?
Hindi, sa makakapagturo kung paano nakataas. I'm pretty sure, Mr. Chairman, because I have checked the CAAP. Ang CAAP, meron silang mga biyahe papunta ng Kota Kinabalu, papunta ng Singapore, galing sa Clark, galing sa Subic, galing sa Palawan, walang passenger. And they know the ports. They know the seaports. They handle the division of checking those flights going out and going in. Maluluwag ang mga seaports natin. Maluluwag ang mga airports natin. And our people, hindi lahat sa immigration, thank you to all those immigration officers and employees who are faithful to their duty. But, to those who are bad eggs, sorry, pero magkalaban tayo. Linisin natin ang gobyerno, tulungan ninyo ako, 2 buwan na sweldo ko, ibibigay ko sa makakapagturo kung paano nakataka si Alice Go with the help of our immigration officers.